To deposit a paper check into your account using a mobile banking app, start by taking your phone and opening the app. Once the app is loaded, locate the Deposit button at the bottom, which will open the mobile deposit screen. Here, you will need to enter the amount you wish to deposit, for example, $300,000. Next, you will be prompted to take a picture of the check. The app will request permission to access your camera, and then it will launch. To ensure a clear capture, place the check on a contrasting surface. The mobile app will automatically take the picture. You will then be asked to take a picture of the back of the check, which the app will also capture automatically. Once you have completed these steps, tap Submit to finalize the deposit. The funds will become available in your account on the next business day. This is the straightforward process for making a mobile check deposit into your account using the mobile banking app.